All right, we are recording here. So, gonna go over some tips here. Drill this all the way through this hole. Try and get in the center. This one's a little bit off, but that should be done. This is your all thread, it's called. These are your nuts. Some advice here is, first off, this nut in particular, you wanna be sure that this thing rotates 360. Second, you want to have the all thread stick out about 3 threads or so. So you can come here with a MIG welder and you can go on, off. And then you would rotate this a little bit, on, off, on, off. So you're welding the all thread to the nut here. Okay, you are not welding the nut to the angle iron. So you're gonna weld this area, the all thread to the nut. Step 1. After that, on this nut here, you want to basically make sure it's tight, and then you're going to back it off about a quarter turn or so. So this nut you're going to tighten to basically this angle iron, and then you're going to back it out counterclockwise a little bit. Then what you're going to do is you're going to weld again the all thread to the nut. So you're going to go on, off, rotate, on, off, rotate, on, off. So you're going to rotate this guy 360. You are not going to weld the nut to the angle iron. So do not weld here. Do not. Then with this nut here, you're going to weld the nut to the angle iron. So in this area, same thing, on, off, on, off, on, off. Or a continuous weld would be fine too. And then you are not going to weld this area. And just keep in mind that the first thing I told you was to make sure this nut freely rotates. If it's really tight and hitting this upper wall here, you can take this nut and just go shave it down on the vertical disc sander or a grinder or somewhere like that. All right, good luck doing this.